Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dry Aisle. Today, in this unboxing, I present to you the Ichikawa from the Kyoshi collection of Jacques Marie Mage. This is an optical frame, number 242 of 500 produced. The Ichikawa design is a modern trapeze shape with energetic mid-century look and feel. This is a particular frame that I've added to my collection to be a part of my optical eyewear. It has a photochromatic gray black tint of 80% and black noir acetate. To achieve the visual distinction with striking spectacles that expand your sartorial vocabulary, the Ichikawa is inspired by the actual glasses worn by Japanese film director Kon Ichikawa, whose cinematic ingenuity was influenced by an array of individuals spanning from Walt Disney to Jean Renoir. The details of this particular frame is that it is a black 10mm cured cellulose acetate frame that is custom double laminated, and the temples and lenses come clear when purchasing from factory. There are sterling silver signature arrowhead front pins, hidden temple wire core, dark gold custom filigree engraved wire core, the tension secured custom 7-barreled hinge, striking silver domed 3D metal camo logo. The lens comes as stated with a demo lens, which are CR39. The sizes are medium shaped faces for this particular frame. The temple length is 146 millimeters. Frame total width is 142 millimeters. Lens width is 50 millimeters. Lens height is 38 millimeters, and the bridge is an expanding 21 millimeter. These come with a ornate dust cloth for the Kyoshi collection, the Longhorn hard shell case, the number certificate, and also the booklet that tells of the Jacques Marie Mage story. A great pair of frames for a medium face.